All right, this is a problem out of Math-Excel, Chapter 3, Section 7, and we've done another video on one of these type problems where they ask us to estimate the value of a fraction as being either 0, 1/2, or 1. And on a previous video, which you may have already watched, I kind of went through the conversation about that. And what they said to do is that if the numerator, and this is my previous one that we had, if the numerator is very close to the denominator value, we'd say it's about 1. If the numerator value is about half the denominator value, then we'd say that the fraction is about 1/2. Now, the other way to do this one is to multiply the numerator times 2. And if you get a value that's close to the denominator, so like 2 times 7 is 14, we get a number that's close to 16, we'd say it's about 1/2. And here's one where the numerator value is much smaller, and so we would estimate it at being 0. Now, again, these estimates are just that. They're kind of guesstimates or close to, but not exact answers. So here's the problem that we're going to look at on Math-Excel now is the fraction they gave me was 9/19, okay? And you can say, well, 9 is not close to 19, so I don't think 1's the answer. And 9 is, well, it's not a real small number relative to 19, so I don't think I'm going to call that one 0. And so that kind of leaves me with thinking that it's probably 1/2. And I can do that little check we did a minute ago where if I say, 2 times 9 equals 18, and 18 is really close to 19, and so I would say this fraction would estimate out to be 1/2. I'm going to input 1/2 as the answer into Math-Excel. And we'll have to use the fraction bar tool down here. And so 1/2. Check the answer. It liked it. Well, let's do one more similar one. Let's see what we get here. Look at that one. 10/21. That's 10 is about half of 21, a little less than half of 21. 2 times 10 is 20. So this one, again, the answer they're going to be looking for is 1/2. I hope these couple of videos have helped you see the logic behind how these problems are approached. All right, and I'm going to stop the video. We'll do something.